Okay. Let us start with the fourth sum of AP, the third exercise. In an AP, 19th term is 52. Now, when we say 19th term, it's T19. T19 is equal to 52. And next, the 38th term is 128. 38th term is T38 is equal to 128. So we know the value of two terms here. They're asking us to find the sum of. Sum of means S. Sum of what? Sum of first 56 term. So that means we need to find S56 equal to question mark. It's a very important sum because it is a little different type of sum. Now, how to start with the sum? Since we know only the value of the 19th and the 38th term, we don't know the value of A, we don't know the common difference, but still we know term here. We'll start with Tn ka formula. So we are going to start with Tn ka formula. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And one by one we are going to substitute जो हमको मालूम है. क्या हमको मालूम है? हमको T19 मालूम है. So in the place of N, we are going to write first what? We'll write put N equal to 19. First हम लोग 19 substitute करेंगे, then we'll substitute the next N, that is T38. So we'll substitute 38 and let's see what we get. So we can substitute only this much. So in the place of Tn, we are writing T19. A as it is, we don't know the value of A. N minus 1 is 19 minus 1. D, common difference, again we don't know. Next step, do we know the value of T19? Yes, we know that it is 52. So 52 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1, that is 18D. We'll mark it as equation number 1. So what we have got something in the form of linear equation. So hence we can say that we have got linear equation number 1. Similarly, we are again going to write Tn ka formula. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We know T38 now. So let's substitute N equal to 38. In the place of N, we will write 38. A as it is. N minus 1 will write 38 minus 1 into D. T38 value is 128 is equal to A plus 37. 38 minus 1, 37D. Now, this is the second linear equation we got. We'll mark it as equation number 2. So hence we have started with AP chapter and we are concluding a sum with linear equation in two variables. Hence the sum is very important sum. Let us solve by linear equation. Now which variable is exactly same? A. So we can cancel A. Before cancelling, what to do? Adding or subtracting, we'll look at the sign of A. Here A is having what sign? Plus sign. Here A is having what sign? The same sign. So that means A and A are having same sign. Same sign means subtracting. So we are going to subtract. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. Subtracting equation 1 from 2. From के बाद जो लिखा उससे start करेंगे. We'll start from the second equation. That is 128 equal to A plus 37D. And here 52 is equal to A plus 18D. In subtraction sign change होता है. तो plus 52 का हो जाएगा minus. Plus A का हो जाएगा minus. Plus 18 का हो जाएगा minus. Let us solve this. So 128 minus 52 is 2, 6, 12 minus 5, 7. Which is equal to plus A minus A cancel. 37 minus 18. We get 19D here. Bigger number sign plus. So 76 equal to 19D. So therefore we'll continue with the sum. 76 19 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, LHS में गया है तो डिवाइड होगा. 76 इक्वल टू 9, sorry, D is equal to 76 divided by 19, which is equal to 4. So therefore we get D is equal to, we can cancel 19 ones are 19 fours are. So D equal to 4 we got. We'll underline D equal to 4. Next, substitute the value of D in any equation and we have to find the next variable, that is A. So substituting D equal to 4 in equation, कौन से भी इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, हमने 1 में किया. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज a plus 18d equal to 52. So it's a plus 18 into 4 equal to 52. Therefore, our next step will be a plus 18 into 4 is how much? 72 equal to 52. Therefore, a is equal to 52 minus 72. Therefore, a equals to minus 20. Hence, we have got the value of A and value of D. But what is our final sum, students? What they are asking us to find? Are they asking us to find the value of A and D? No. They are asking us to find the value of S56. How to find it? Using the SN ka formula. So let us go for SN formula. SN is equal to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D, where put N is equal to, they're asking us to find what? S56. So put N equal to 56. So S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 in bracket 2A, that is minus 20, plus 56 minus 1 into D, that is 4. Let us solve this further. 56 divided by 2. If you want to cancel, you can cancel, or else you can keep it as it is also. Minus 40 plus 56 minus 155 into 4, which is equal to 56 upon 2 minus 40 plus 55 into 4. That is 220. Plus into minus minus 220 minus 40. What is 220 minus 40? It is 180. Now we can reduce like this also. 2 ones are 2 90s are. So hence we get, therefore S56 is equal to 56 into 90. Therefore S56 is equal to 56 into 90 is 5040. 5040. Our final answer. Now, this is one of the way of solving. We have another small, easy method to solve. Now, you may think why I have not started with that small, easy method. The reason is, see, whenever we read the question, we read any sum, the basically standard form, जो method हमारे दिमाग में आता है, वो एक स्टैंडर्ड मेथड होता है कि चलो हमको SN फाइंड करना है तो A और D का वैल्यू चाहिए और A और D का वैल्यू हमको ये दो लीनियर इक्वेशन से मिलेगा. So this is the normal standard method to solve this type of sum. But the shortcut method which I am going to explain you now, वो हर एक sum में applicable नहीं होता है. उसको अप्लाई करने के लिए एक लॉजिक चाहिए हमको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस क्वेश्चन हमको T19 का वैल्यू मालूम था, बराबर, और T38 का वैल्यू मालूम था, एंड the question was find S56. Now pay attention here students, the shortcut method which I am going to explain you is not applicable every time. It's not applicable every time. ये भी याद में रखो, नहीं तो क्या हो जाता है, whenever we teach the shortcut method and if such type of any other sum will come in the exam, student start the sum with this shortcut method without thinking that कि ये शॉर्टकट मेथड हर एक सम में अप्लाई नहीं होता है. अभी ये शॉर्टकट मेथड क्या है वो देखो. हमने जब भी दो लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर्म किया, हमको T19 के लिए इक्वेशन क्या मिला था, a प्लस 18d इक्वल टू 52, और T38 के लिए हमको इक्वेशन क्या मिला था, a प्लस 38d इक्वल टू 128, राइट. हमने क्या किया, हमने इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, a को कैंसिल किया, जैसे नॉर्मली लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व होता है वैसे किया. द अनदर शॉर्टकट मेथड स्टूडेंट्स, इंस्टेड ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, finding d का वैल्यू, finding a का वैल्यू and then substituting, will go for adding. हम ऐड करेंगे. Now the thing is क्यों ऐड करेंगे, तो क्या करने का, ऐसे टाइप का सम जब रहेगा ना, जब दो t का वैल्यू दिया है और एक s का वैल्यू फाइंड करने बोला है, तो हमेशा इक्वेशन फॉर्म करो. इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने के बाद ये जो d का टर्म है ना, d का टर्म, इसको ऐड करके देखो कि तुमको क्या मिलता है. सॉरी, हियर इट विल बी 37. इसको ऐड करके देखो कि तुमको क्या मिलता है. सो वी गेट 18 प्लस 37, 18 प्लस 37 as 55d. Correct? And this 55 is nothing but 56 minus 1. Am I right? So when, see here, 56 is that term which we require. So when to add the equation, कभी add करने का, जब भी equation का d को add करके तुमको एक कम, one less मिलता है, तभी one less. जब वन लेस मिलेगा ना तो ही एडिंग के लिए जाओ, अदरवाइज एडिंग के लिए मत जाओ. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल रैंडमली तुमको T25 का वैल्यू दिया है, उसके बाद T62 का वैल्यू दिया है, एंड रैंडमली दे आर आस्किंग यू फाइंड S28. ओके, सो T25 से इक्वेशन क्या मिलेगा, a प्लस 25 माइनस 1, दैट इज 24d, and a plus 62 minus 1, that is 61d. Correct? Now if you add this 24 and 61, what we get 85d. 85 और 28 के बीच में एक -1 का डिफरेंस है क्या, नहीं ना, तो ऐसा टाइप के सम में एडिंग नहीं काम आता है. So basically when we teach this sum in this form to the student, and suppose if such type of any other sum will come, they will go for adding without thinking. क्या मैम ने एडिंग पढ़ाया, अरे लेकिन एडिंग कब भी करने का, जब भी डी के टर्म को ऐड करके हमको एस में जो चाहिए उन दोनों के बीच में -1 का डिफरेंस है. अगर तुमको -1 का डिफरेंस नहीं मिले तो एडिंग के लिए मत जाओ. सो हियर if you can solve this sum by adding also, let's see what we get by adding both the equation. So the first linear equation we got was a plus 18d equal to 52. Correct? The second we got was a plus 37d is equal to, what was the term here, 128. Okay, now when we add students both the equation, instead of subtracting, we get 2a plus 55d is equal to 180. Correct? We'll mark this as the third equation, and then we will go for Sn ka formula. S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 56 minus 1, that is 55d, and in the place of this bracket directly we can substitute that 180. See, S56 is equal to 56 upon 2 into 180, सीधा 180 लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, in bracket reason from equation 3. So इसमें हमारा क्या हो गया, हमारा टाइम बहुत बच गया. हमने a अलग से नहीं फाइंड किया, हमने d अलग से नहीं फाइंड किया, है ना. So then you can solve it the same way, 2 1s are 2 90s are, so we get the final answer as the same answer 5040. Now you may ask exam में क्या करने का, exam में adding करो चलेगा, but adding if you get such type of non-textual sum, extra sum, where you have the value of 2t, दो टर्म दिया है और s का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, तो हमेशा एडिंग काम नहीं आता है, उसका इक्वेशन फॉर्म करके d का टर्म ऐड करो. ये d का टर्म जो भी रहेगा ना, ये s का टर्म और ये d के टर्म के बीच में -1 का डिफरेंस होना चाहिए, देन ओनली यू विल गो फॉर एडिंग. Otherwise, you will do the same way as we have solved. Subtracting, get the value of d, substitute, a का value find करो, use the formula and substitute in the formula. So let us start with the sixth sum. Sum of first 55 terms. Sum of first 55 terms is 3,300. They're asking us to find its 28th term, T28. So we don't know the value of first term. हमको A का value नहीं मालूम, D का value नहीं मालूम, and सिर्फ एक S55 मालूम है. Find T28. So how to start this sum? जो मालूम है उसी से start करते हैं. हमको S55 का value मालूम है. Let us start with Sn का formula. Since Sn is equal to n upon 2, the first formula, into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, now S55, right? So we are going to put n equal to 55. Therefore, S55 is equal to n by 2. So that is 55 by 2 in bracket 2a as it is, प्लस n के जगह पे ही हम सब्सटीट्यूट कर सकते हैं, बाकी कुछ भी हमको नहीं मालूम. नाउ देयरफॉर S55 का वैल्यू मालूम है, सो उसकी जगह पे हमने लिखा 3,300. 55 we cannot reduce by 2, so 55 by 2 as it is. 2a plus 55 minus 1, that is 54d. Now we'll look at the bracket, we'll look at this term, 2a plus 54d. Can we take any same फैक्टर आउट? 2 और फैक्टर 2 और 54 में से कोई सेम फैक्टर है क्या? सो यस, 2 इज डिविजिबल, or I must say 54 is divisible by 2 ka table. So we are going to take 2 as the same factor from the bracket out. So in the next step we will write, therefore 3,300 is equal to 55 upon 2. 2 we are taking as the same factor out from the bracket. In bracket we get a plus 20. 54 को 2 से डिवाइड करके लिखो. अभी 2a में से 2 बाहर गया, क्या बचा उसके जगह पे? ओनली a प्लस 54 में से 2. 54 में से 2 इन द सेंस कि 54 को 2 से डिवाइड करके लिखो. 54 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज व्हाट? 27. So we are writing 27d. Now can we cancel this 2 and 2? Yes. So 2 and 2 cancel. So 55 is getting multiplied. LHS में shift हुआ तो divide होगा. Shift करो. Divided by 55. Equal to, here remains a plus 27d. We'll reduce this 11 का table. 11 5s are 55. 11 3s are and then 2 0. Again 5 1s are and this is 5 60s are. So hence we get, therefore a plus 27d equal to 60. We cannot solve this further. We'll mark it as equation number 1. Now what they're asking, T28. Now तो चलो Tn का formula लिखते हैं. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n is equal to 28 since we require T28. Therefore T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1 d. Therefore T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1, 27d. Do we know the value of a plus 27d? Yes, we know the value of a plus 27d in equation 1. Look at equation 1. In equation 1, a plus 27d का value क्या है? 60. So that value we will be writing here directly 60 in bracket reason from 1. our final answer. Okay, let us start with the last sum of the exercise. And the question is, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, ninth term means T9. If the ninth term of AP is 0, T9 is 0, then show that what? Show that T29. So here we have to write to proof and given, show that. So instead of the solution, we'll write given, that is T9, and to prove. We need to prove that, it's a very easy sum. We need to prove that 29th term is, that means T29 is twice the 19th term. Twice matlab 2 into, twice the 19th term. 2 into 19th term. Let us start with the proof. So proof we will start with the thing which we know. जो given information है उससे start करेंगे. Given information में हमको एक ही चीज पता है, T9 is 0. So let us start with Tn का formula. Since Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Put n equal to 9. So therefore T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1D. In the next step, we are going to write T9 का value. T9 का value क्या है? 0. 0 equal to A plus 8D. इसको equation 1 mark करो. ये हम आगे use करने वाले सम में. अच्छा, अभी हम LHS और RHS से इसको solve करेंगे. So we are going to start from LHS. Left hand side, LHS. What is LHS? T29. What is T29? When we use in the formula, it is A plus 29 minus 1. Formula no need to write again. Already हमने एक बार लिख दिया है. Then A plus 29 minus 1 is what? 28D. अब इस 28D को क्या करना है, ध्यान से देखो. A plus we will write as it is. 28D में से 8D साइड में लिखेंगे और 20D साइड में लिखेंगे. मतलब क्या किया, ब्रेक किया. 28 को 8 plus 20 ऐसे लिखा. क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि ये जो A plus 8D है ना, इसका वैल्यू हमको इक्वेशन 1 में मालूम है. इसका वैल्यू क्या है इक्वेशन 1 में? 0. So it is 0 plus 20D. Correct? So which is equal to 20D. Here we can write from 1. From equation 1. So what we got, the left hand side, LHS is equal to 20D. Then next is what? Next is the right hand side, RHS. Let us start with the RHS. RHS is equal to, what is RHS? 2 into T19, which is equal to 2 multiplied by T19 क्या है? A plus n minus 1, 19 minus 1D, which is equal to 2 in bracket A plus 18D. 18D के साथ भी वही काम करना है हमको. 8D को साइड में लिखना है हमको, साइड में निकालना है. So 18 में से 8 हमने निकाल दिया, बचा 10. तो हम 18 को 8 plus 10 ऐसा लिख रहे हैं. अगेन A plus 8D का वैल्यू 0 है, तो उसके जगह पे हम 0 लिखेंगे. 0 plus 10D. In bracket reason, please write, I don't have space here, from equation 1, which is equal to 0 plus 10D क्या होता है? 10D. 2 into 10D क्या होता है? It is 20D. So that means what RHS we got? We got RHS as 20D. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we'll write both LHS, RHS. What was it? It is T29 equal to 2 into T19. Hence proved. Our final step.